electric kettles under $50. Number 1. Epica 1.75 quart electric stainless steel kettle. Number 2. GUALIU Smart Electric Kettle under $50. Number 3. Z-DESDEMONA is the best electric kettles under $50. Number 4. Gooseneck Electric Tea Electric Kettles under $50. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Kettles under $50. Each product link you will find it in the description and comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and share the video.